Let us run this. The second one little smaller than that. So the new list is supposed to be 110, 220, 330, 440, 5 and 6. Let us also check in the other way. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to create a program to merge two different lists into a single list. We will take the elements from one list and then alternatively from other list. Similar way, we will be taking all the elements from both the list and merge into a single list. Let us open Python. Merge two different lists into a single list such that elements become alternate from the lists. Note the lists given are not having the same length. Example is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and then other one is 10 and 20. The merge list is supposed to have 1 from first, 10 from the second list. Similar way 2 and 20, then 3 and there is no more element in the second list, so continuously from the first list it is given. Let us accept the list from the user. LST1 equal to eval of input of, enter the first list. Similar way I will take the second list which is called LST2. I need one more list where it merges and put it into a new list. I call it as CLST, which is empty in the beginning. Both the lists are not having the equal length, so I will be managing this both the list. Having the longer list I will put it in GL and then smaller in the SL. So I am comparing the length of both the list. If len of LST1 is greater than len of LST2, then I will have greater list is equal to LST1, then SL is equal to LST2, else GL will be LST2 and SL will be LST1. Now I create a for loop. For I in range, I need length of greater list, so I will be giving len of greater list. So initially I will append from the greater list CLST dot append of GL of I. The second list's member will be taken only if the length is less, otherwise it will give the out of bound error. So for that purpose I have the condition here, if I is lesser than len of SL. If it is lesser only it will take, even it is equal to length it will not take because it will be out of bound. Now I will be appending CLST dot append of SL of I, then I come out of the condition and the for loop, then print CLST. Let us run this. I am having a list with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The second one little smaller than that, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So the new list is supposed to be 110, 220, 330, 440, 5 and 6. Let us also check in the other way, smaller list and the bigger list. I give here 1, 2. The second is going to be bigger now, 30, 50, 70, 90. Hope this was very clear to you. If you are having any doubt regarding any program or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.